Never lose hope in Allah's mercy. Your path to financial freedom starts with faith. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Green Diamond. Today's message is simple, but it can change your life. Never lose hope in Allah's mercy. Especially when you're struggling financially, this truth can be the turning point, the moment you choose faith over fear. Maybe you've faced loss. Maybe debt feels like a mountain you can't climb. Maybe your business failed, or your savings disappeared. And you wonder, is my situation beyond repair? Let me remind you, Allah's mercy is greater than any debt, any loss, any mistake. Allah says in Surah Az-Zumar 39-53, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins. And in Surah At-Talaq 65-2-3, and whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out, and will provide for him from where he does not expect. These are not just words. They are promises. If you live with Taqwa, Allah will open doors you never imagined. Shaitan wants you to despair. Allah wants you to return. No matter how far you've gone, His door is always open. His mercy is not just forgiveness, it's love, it's healing, it's home. Hope is not just a feeling, it's a choice, and mercy is always near. Financial freedom is not built overnight. It's built with faith, discipline, and action. It's choosing halal over haram, patience over shortcuts, and gratitude over greed. So don't give up, don't turn away, because Allah never does. Join the Green Diamond community, where we grow wealth with wisdom and success with sincerity. Together, we rise above pressure, build a life of purpose, and walk the path to financial freedom, starting with faith.